Hi, Shameem here with Stillwater Senior Living, and today I want to talk about all the activities and outings that our residents have the opportunity of going out, participating in, because remember the whole adage, if you don't use it, you lose it. But with that being said, we want to make sure that our residents are still enjoying the things that they did when they were in their prime. We just finished our season of taking them to the Fox Theater. They loved it. Thank you to the fabulous Fox for accommodating us every time we come in. They're truly wonderful. But then we also just took our residents to a Cardinal game. But of course, don't worry, it was one of the hottest days in June, but they stayed and they enjoyed it. Some of the things that they ask for, they ask to do these things, and we make it happen. They're going to be going bowling. We also put on nature walks. So we find different areas of little trailways that they can stop and just get some exercise, but get in the middle of nature. So check out our website, look at our calendar, and maybe you want to be a part of some of the fun activities that we have at Stillwater Senior Living. Visit us for more information at stillwaterseniorliving.com.